Hello everyone. This has been a very busy year for action cameras. DJI released their first ever 360 camera competing against the 360 market, and Insta360 as well released their latest X5 in this year. And DJI is releasing two more products, DJI Mini Pro, it's a drone camera, and DJI Nano. And DJI Nano is going to be released on 23rd September. So DJI Nano is small compact camera. It is similar to Insta360 Go 3S and their latest Insta360 Go Ultra. So DJI is going to be comparing against these Insta360 cameras. So GoPro also going to release soon their 360 camera. So this is the teaser they uploaded on August 2, and which shows that there will be a replaceable lens just like Insta360 X5, and it will be called Max 2. Let us talk about DJI Nano. It is a very compact, modular, pill-shaped camera module that can attach with a separate screen module. So there will be a camera and there will be a separate screen module which it can be attached with it. So as in their little similar teaser which they uploaded today, and they are going to release it on 23rd September. As DJI is putting built-in storage in their cameras, the Action 5 Pro, they have built in DJI Osmo 360, and they will be putting built-in storage in DJI Nano as well.
Are you guys ready for this? The countdown begins.
As you can see here, they have already sent their DJI Nano to the creators so they can check out and upload videos. And as you can see, this is 128 GB model, and maybe there will be 64 GB separate. And I think that there will be option for micro SD card as well. And there will be separate option as well for micro SD card. These are our rumors and these are not confirmed, but most likely these will be the features. So about video capabilities, rumors point to something like 4K 60, similar camera which can record 4K 60, 4K 120 as well, 240 slow motion in 1080p. DJI Mini 5 Pro is already out. It launched on 17 September. It has better sensor. It has better lift speed, better speed overall. It has better battery, 15 minutes more, and better ability to track the obstacles in front and to stay safe from them. And these are the overall new features: new one sensor, 50 megapixel, 4K 60 in HDR and 4K 120 in slow motion, 225 flexible gimbal rotation, 2x zoom on main camera, 14 stop dynamic range in D-Log M, front facing LiDAR and nighttime RTH, and 42 GB of internal memory, compatible with the DJI RC Pro 2, and it has upgraded active track with custom scene recognition like cycling and unfold to start. So this is it from me. Follow my channel for more. Thank you so much.